servant leadership is something what I heard when I joined UST. I heard about this leadership program, and this some of the philosophies like I may be following, but I was not aware this is particularly supply chain. So I could relate something what I am doing, and if I will have some more detailed understanding of this will help me. So that's why I choose to learn about this organization. Thank you. Actually, when I attended the first session, that was previous version of that hand and heart session. So I attended that one, and then after that session, Mary and Anu, you obviously told us like we can be servant leader champions also. That excited me, and there was a process, and then I felt like let me have this, let me deep dive in this one, and that's the only way I can do that by being a coach. And will understand more, and specifically when I'm taking some session now, I can understand more in detail and I can relate many things now. So that's the reason I choose that to become a coach. Oh, indeed, it made a maybe I would say lot of change that has made, and it is impacted very deeply. I would say the way I was working, like some of the team members I was previously working was maybe consciously or unconsciously we tend to hurt someone with some kind of some statements or some feedbacks, but with this we can understand how we can empower them, how we can work with them, and we can the motto what I believe is let us work together, which I was believing, and now I'm living, I can say I'm living it now. So certainly once I'll have this certification, I'll be certified coach, this will help me to talk to someone. See, I am a certified coach, and you can also be that one, and this has impacted me like this way, and maybe my team members, my managers, my superior peers, and my leaders are looking at the change what I am doing in my team and company. So that's the same way I can present them with practical example. So this is the way I'm going to use this. Thanks to all of you, Anu, Mary, and Dr. Madana for giving this opportunity, and all over the UST leadership team for us to give this opportunity to servant leaders, training and coaching, and so that's wonderful. Thank you. I would encourage everyone should go with this.